In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add an unsubscribe link in the Mailchimp application. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more great content. Adding an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp is important because it is legitimate and lets people easily opt out if they want to, which helps keep your email reputation good. So, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. In the top left corner, you will see a button labeled Create. Click on this button to start a new project. On the subsequent page titled Create an Email, you will be prompted to provide an internal name for your email. This name is for your reference only and helps you identify the email campaign later. Type in a descriptive name for your email campaign, then click Create Email to proceed to the next step. Once you have created your email, you will be taken to a new page where you can set up the subject line for your email. Scroll down until you find the Subject tab. Click on the Add Subject button to reveal two text boxes where you can enter the subject line for your email. Type in your desired subject line and then click Save to confirm your changes. Next, move to the Send Time tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Edit Send Time. Click on this option to adjust when you want your email to be sent. After selecting your preferred send time, click Save to finalize your timing preferences. Now, proceed to the Content tab and click on Design to begin crafting the content of your email. You will be presented with a variety of pre-designed email templates offered by Mailchimp. You can choose any of these templates that suit your needs. If you have previously saved or drafted templates, you can access them under the Draft Emails tab. To use a selected template, hover your mouse over it and click the Apply button. This action will open the visual editor, allowing you to make modifications. In the visual editor, you can customize your email by adding elements such as buttons, images, or text. For instance, if you want to add a new button, drag it from the left panel and place it in the desired location within your email layout. You can then modify the button's text, color, or background by scrolling through the available options. Specifically for the unsubscribe button, click on it to access its properties. Change the button text to unsubscribe. In the Link to text field, enter unsub in all capital letters enclosed with asterisks. This configuration will link the button to the unsubscribe functionality, allowing recipients to opt out of future emails. Before finalizing your email, it's important to preview it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Click on the Preview button to check how your email will appear to recipients and verify that the unsubscribe link works as intended. Once you are satisfied with your email's design and functionality, you can proceed to send or schedule your email campaign. This process ensures that your email campaign is well prepared and ready to reach your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video both useful and engaging. For more valuable tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel.